Welcome. Today we're diving into Proposify, a robust cloud-based proposal software that helps businesses streamline their proposal process. Proposify offers a comprehensive solution for creating, sending, and tracking business proposals, making it easier to close deals. From customizable templates to interactive quoting, Proposify offers a range of features designed to enhance your proposal process and increase your conversion rates. Let's talk about Proposify's key features. Proposify provides a rich library of customizable templates, allowing you to create professional proposals in minutes. Its interactive quoting feature allows clients to choose from different options, increasing the chances of acceptance. Proposify also offers e-signature capability, making the approval process seamless. Plus, its analytics feature gives you insights into how your proposals are performing, helping you make data-driven decisions. Now let's look at Proposify's pricing. Proposify offers 3 pricing plans: Tall, Grande, and Venti. The Tall plan starts at $19 per month and includes basic features. The Grande plan, priced at $49 per month, includes additional features like custom domains and integrations. The Venti plan, at $99 per month, offers advanced features like team and role permissions. Proposify also offers a 14-day free trial to test the waters before investing. So, who can make the most out of Proposify? It's ideal for sales teams looking to create, send, and track proposals in a centralized platform. Proposify is also great for businesses aiming to professionalize their proposal process with customizable templates and interactive quotes. Freelancers and consultants can use Proposify to streamline their proposal process and close deals faster. It's also useful for agencies seeking to automate and track their proposal process. Let's discuss the advantages of Proposify. It offers a streamlined proposal creation process, saving you time and effort. Its interactive quoting feature can increase the chances of proposal acceptance. Proposify's analytics give you insights into your proposal performance, helping you make better decisions. Plus, its cloud-based nature ensures your data is accessible from anywhere, anytime. Lastly, Proposify's e-signature feature makes the approval process quick and hassle-free. Like any tool, Proposify has its limitations. While it offers a range of templates, the customization options can be overwhelming for beginners. Also, the pricing might be a bit steep for small businesses or freelancers. Another potential drawback is the learning curve associated with its advanced features. Some users have reported issues with the software's speed and responsiveness, particularly when working with large proposals. Key takeaways. Proposify is a robust proposal software that enhances your proposal process and increases conversion rates. Its strengths lie in its vast template library, interactive quoting, and insightful analytics. However, it does come with a learning curve and the pricing might be steep for some. Overall, Proposify is a powerful tool if you're looking to streamline your proposal process and close deals faster. Thank you for joining us in this analysis of Proposify. We hope you found this information useful. If you did, please give this video a like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Until next time, happy proposing.